Hey guys, I just wanted to demonstrate how these headphones look. I've just connected the 3.5mm headphone jack and it's now been connected. You see how this looks on your head, and then you're obviously looking at some of the buttons here, and obviously there are some of the other features, the texturized finish, and there's also on the top you've got these textures. It's like soft matte finish at the bottom of it, and then on the top it's got plastic, but that's soft plastic. They've done some finishing on top of it, so that looks really good. I think overall it's been pretty good, and obviously the sound quality as well, the audio out is really good. I would really say that it's pretty good. I did think a lot of bumpy basses on top of it, but even the audio output is obviously crispy enough, so you've got the trebles as well doing pretty good job, but it's more of a bass heavy, which obviously these headphones are supposed to be. So that's it from for the review that I've got for this. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you.
And